In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use GCash to buy games on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check out with GCash using the Steam desktop app or your web browser, and what to expect at each step so everything goes smoothly. Start by logging into your Steam account on the desktop app or at the Steam website. Make sure you are on the account where you want the game to live and that your internet connection is stable. It also helps to have your GCash app ready on your phone and enough balance to cover the purchase amount, including any small processing fees that may apply. Browse the store. Pick the game you want and click Add to Cart. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to glance at the system requirements and any region notes on the store page so there are no surprises later. When you are ready, open your cart and choose Purchase for Myself. This ensures the game is added directly to your own library. On the payment screen, look for the payment method drop-down and select GCash. Availability can vary by region, but if you see GCash listed, you are good to go. Review your order summary so the price, currency, and game title all look correct. Check the box to agree to Steam's terms of service. Then click Continue to Smart to Pay. Smart to Pay is the secure payment partner that handles the GCash transaction. Your browser or the Steam overlay will load a page with a QR code. Avoid refreshing or closing this window while you pay. Now, on your phone, open the GCash app. Tap Pay QR, then point your camera at the QR code on your screen. Make sure the entire code is visible and your screen brightness is high enough so it scans quickly. You'll see the amount and the merchant details in GCash. Confirm that the details match your Steam order. Then authorize the payment using your usual method in GCash. After you authorize, give the page a moment to process. You'll be redirected back to Steam with a confirmation that the purchase is complete. If the page doesn't update right away, wait a few seconds and follow any on-screen prompt to return to the store. Your new game will appear in your Steam library, ready when you are. That's the entire flow. Thanks for watching.